discussing some of the benefits that stereo can provide.
Hey guys, NanoNico17 here, and today I have a really good vlog. And yesterday I got scratches from my cat on my nose, right here somewhere, right here, and next to my eye. I was very close. And second of all, I'm just sad because summer's almost over. But to cheer me up, my family and I are going to Legoland in San Diego, California. So I will be making multiple vlogs, and you will get to see what I'm doing. It'll be fun, and I will be buying stuff there. And also, I didn't introduce you to my cat right here. I never made a video. Here she is. It's a she. There she is. Oh. Her name is Mimi. Good cat. That's mostly it for today. So until next I go to San Diego, I'll tell you when I get there. Bye.